Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make sprites talk in Scratch. Let's do this. First, go ahead and create a new project. If you don't know how to use Scratch, I'll put a link down in the description box below to my previous video on how to use Scratch. So, when you open up a new project, you'll see the default sprite over here, which is the cat. I'm just going to rename it cat to make it more simple. Making a sprite talk in Scratch is very simple, and we'll be using a few of these categories over here. First, you have to go to the events category. You'll see that most of these have a rounded top on them, and that means that you can't attach a block on top of it, meaning this is going to be the first block in your code. What these do is that they start the program when something happens. You'll see all of them say when, except for these two. This one says when flag is clicked, when space key is pressed, when sprite is clicked, and all of these other ones. So we're just going to use this one, the when run is clicked. The flag is also called run. And what this will do is it will run the code only when this flag over here is clicked. Now let's go to the look section. You'll see all of these blocks here, which affects what the stage looks like, or the section where the sprite is. Now we're going to be first working with the say hello block. You can change this to say whatever you want it to say. I'm changing it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe. It would help me make more content. Now let's keep going. When you run this program, it will just say subscribe to my YouTube channel forever until you tell it to do something else. If you want to say multiple things, you can drag another say hello block and say, I would really appreciate it. And what that will do is just say that. Now, why did it do that? It's because it's trying to say, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I would really appreciate it at the same time. But since it does this first, then this, it won't say subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will only say I would really appreciate it. To make it say both things, you have to go to Control and drag in a wait block. What that will do is it will make it say subscribe to my YouTube channel for 1 second and then say I would really appreciate it. Like this. Now you can change this to maybe 5 seconds and you can see it says subscribe to my YouTube channel, and after 5 seconds it would say, I would really appreciate it. Now, Scratch has a block to make this easier so that you don't have to drag in wait blocks all the time. This block is called the say hello for 2 seconds block. We can take this out of here and drag this in here. I'm just going to copy and paste this into here. And now it's going to say this, subscribe to my YouTube channel for only 2 seconds. So it will say subscribe to my YouTube channel and then go away. So it's as if you're combining the say block with a wait block and then making it stop after that. By doing this, you can make it say multiple things without having to add the wait block in between. Like this. It'll say that for 2 seconds, and then say, I would really appreciate it for another 2 seconds. You can increase the time, and it will say it for longer. And then, I would really appreciate it. So, another block that's very much similar to the say block is the Thinx Blocks. So these two are just like these. The think block is like the say block, and the think for 2 seconds block is like the say for 2 seconds block. And all it does is it looks different. So the think block has these bubbles over here, while the say block has this sort of line. It's just how you want it to look. These are very simple to use and are very good for making your code look much better. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. That would help me a lot. And please subscribe. Thank you, and keep a watch for my next video. Bye-bye.